Alright, we're going to show you how to disassemble this Savage 30-06. There's nothing in it. I don't keep anything in my guns. And I'll show you the numbers and stuff like that. Savage 30-06, free floating barrel. Alright, safety is right here in the back. Safety towards you. If you have it like this, it's on. Safety off is forwards. So we're gonna take the bolt out, compress this, pull the trigger, bolt will come out. Pretty clean gun. I got it from Cabela's a while back, and this has a clip that comes out. Just pull it out. 30-06. And a couple of Allen wrench screws, one here, and one here. Get your Allen wrench, and we will take this apart. For the front, it's for the rear. Keep them set aside. They might be different sizes. This one's a rear, this one's a front. Alright, should come right off. It's kind of a free floating barrel when I shoot it. Sometimes if I grip it too hard over here, it throws my shot off, so I hold it back and then make sure I don't pinch it together when I shoot in this one, because the synthetic stock will kind of pinch against the barrel and you won't get such an accurate shot. But it's pretty clean, you know. Good gun, pretty accurate. It's got a rubber butt stock. Alright, and then this can come out if you have to clean it. I don't think you should ever have to, but that's how that is. Once in a while these will loosen up on you, so you got to keep making sure these are tight, because that will loosen up over time. And that's just about it on this pretty simple bolt action Savage 30-06 with the scope. It didn't come with the iron sights, but scope works just fine for what I need it for. And then disassemble and reassemble it, clean it up, make sure it's good. See, pretty clean, nice and shiny compared to them old guns I got. But that's just about it. I wouldn't take it any further from here. I'd just give it a good clean, let it. Pretty accurate gun though. The little spring on there, I wouldn't want to mess with anything, as it works just fine.